What do you say?
Cheers!
Yeah? You want to go with me?
Uh-huh.
We're going to go buy fireworks? It's about the size of a grocery store in there with shopping carts and everything.
I want to see
Oh.
fire! I'm going to phone a fire!
Yeah? What do you got?
An ice cube.
Yeah? What are you going to do with that ice cube? Uh-oh. Where'd it go?
There.
I don't see it anymore.
Right here.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yes. I'll put it right in his chest. To get him.
You gotta get him?
Oh,
You
no.
gotta get him? Is that a cold ice cube, Uncle Matt?
It's gold ice cube.
I know I'm here. I get one.
Oh, so much for that water.
I put money in there. Oh, we got him.
Where'd it go? Is that it right there?
Yeah, no! Run! You'll never. Yeah.
It's a good book. It's a lot of it's like common sense things you know, but it puts it in good perspective. I got it on an audio book. When was the last time you thought your little brother was going to tell you about a book to read, huh?
15 years from now, he's going to be doing that again.
15 years from now, I'll be playing this video at his wedding.
His wife will be, that's where you learned that ice cube trick.
And he's supposed to be in a timeout.
Yeah, it's supposed to engage him.
You're not
Okay.
supposed to. That is an official way to use chopsticks. Stab it.
Yeah?
Best way to do pasta.
Oh, wow!